When you have many tabs in a Google Sheets file, you can jump to a specific sheet in 3 different ways. The first method is to click the All Sheets icon at the bottom of the file and select the sheet you want to open. The second method is to use the Go to Range command. To access this, open the Accessibility menu, click Go to Range, type the sheet name, and press Enter. The benefit of this method is that you can jump not only to a sheet but also to a specific range within any sheet. For example, to jump to cell B10 in sheet 9, type sheet 9 B10. To jump to a range such as B10 to B15 in sheet 10, type sheet 10 B10 B15 and press Enter. This opens up a powerful and flexible way to navigate large spreadsheets. If you prefer using a keyboard shortcut on Windows, press Alt-A then G, type the sheet name or range and press Enter. On Mac, use Ctrl-Option-A then G.